Yeah, there you go. It's Monday, August 7, 2017, quarter to 5 Pacific time. We're in Boardman, Oregon, at a place called Driftwood Park RV. Driftwood RV Park. This man, Mike, just put on a new starter to his 1997 motorhome. 450 cubic inch Cummins diesel. All total to repair, look, I'd say from 1:30 this afternoon. I asked this man in the blue shirt, Ron, he and his wife Marilyn own this. They've been on the road 10 years. And the guy in the orange shirt is recommended by Napa Parts. If you look at the man in the blue shirt, you'll see he has a brand new Napa hat on. The new starter costs a little less than $300, $298 I think. And Mike, the retired mechanic, friends with the Napa store owner in Boardman, and he recommended $50 an hour, which ain't bad at all. Look at the shock absorbers there on that. Wow. What's that for? Lost by the shock.
Huh? That's the airbag. That's for the air.
Airbag.
Airbag.
Got it. That's it for this one. I don't know if I mentioned they've been on the road 10 years. They have a son in Kennewick, Washington, up near Walla Walla. Well, I'm not gonna. He's taking the alternator out there. Get me out of your way. Get me out of your way. Whoa, 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 watch your shirt, watch your shirt. Hold on to that damn shirt. You're getting too close, man. Watch his shirt. Hey, Ron, grab his shirt. That son of a bitch falls down in there, he's gone.